Hello, ladies and gentlemen, but mostly ladies of YouTube. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen, and I do all sorts of clothing, fashion-related videos. So if that sounds interesting to you, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe below. Returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back. So greatly appreciated. And today I am doing an Amazon Prime or Amazon wardrobe unboxing. Now, this is their new styling service. I think I've seen a video or two of people who have tried out their new styling service. So what it is, $5 a month. I don't think that gets applied to anything you purchase, but I'll put a note down here if I'm wrong. And you put in, or again, fill out a style survey like you do all the other services, and a note to the stylist. And then they give you, I think it was like maybe around 14 items, and then you can select up to 8 items to have sent to you. So I did have 8 items sent to me because why wouldn't I? So, and then you have 7 days, just like when you do the regular Prime wardrobe where you pick things out for yourself. You have 7 days to review it, decide what you keep, send it back. I think you have to fill out an online survey when it comes to filling out what you're sending back, I believe. Again, I haven't done that yet, so I'll give you guys that information in the wrap up. But I'm excited to get into this. I have a couple of tops, but I also have a lot of bottoms, which is usually, usually you get like one pair of jeans and then a whole bunch of tops. So this is actually kind of a nice change, even though I don't really need jeans, and I probably should have said that accordingly. I just love getting them, so I hate to say don't send me jeans because I just think they're so much fun. So let's just get into it, and then I won't have to tell you what I think I remember being in here. And they do have the great just tear off of the box, which I greatly appreciate. Okay, one thing I didn't think about is that everything is individually wrapped. So I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap these, and then we can discuss. Okay, I'm actually going to discuss as I unwrap them just because I'm impatient. I don't want to wait to unwrap everything. Okay, this is from Not Your Daughter's Jeans, and this is, I don't even know what kind of, this is almost like a linen type material. The strange thing is, I don't think this is used clothing. But there is a tag here that's cut out. So I'm not really sure what that's about. That's interesting. But there is a tag on here as if it were new. So that's very strange. But they are kind of a black linen type pant. And they do have pockets front and back. And belt loops and things like that. I don't know, I'm just describing pants at this point. So I just was really thrown off by the cutout tag. I just don't really know what to make of that, but that's okay. So these are a nice pant though. I don't know that I really need like a linen type pant. That's not necessarily my thing, but I will be happy to try them. By BB Dakota here, we have this faux leather, probably mostly polyester jacket here. And the original price looks like it was like $98. I doubt that is the cost of what I had said to me. And it is a light colored moto jacket and a faux leather. And I'm excited to try this on. So hopefully this will fit. I have problems finding jackets that fit me because they're always huge. So we shall see. Next up, we have some Level 99 jeans, which I know is a good brand. I think they're actually more of a straight leg, which I have been enjoying a straight leg pant. And then they've got a bunch of distressing on them. I think it's a pretty high waist. And I really like these. Just by looking at them, I really like them. So we shall see if this ends up being a keeper or not. I keep saying I don't need jeans, but if I find a pair I love enough, it doesn't matter, I'm keeping them. This is by Jagged Jeans, and this is a khaki jean. I don't know why I keep sending myself khakis. It's a mid-rise, kind of a straight leg, bootleg almost wear to it. I want nice slacks, like a tan slack. I don't really want a tan khaki. I'm not really sure why I select this particular piece to send to myself, but I did. So we'll see if it wows me when I get it on. But, oh, there is a detail on the pockets, just like a little flowery detail, just FYI. So, okay. These are Lee, and they are curvy fit. I'm always very interested in a curvy fit because I like jeans that can fit around my rump and then still be kind of tight in the waist. And these are zero short. I think these are like crop. So we'll see what that crop is like. And then it does have a rolled cuff here, but I don't think it's sewn that way. So I could take that out and make it longer if I want. But again, more like a straight leg than a skinny, so I'm very interested in that. And then just kind of a little bit of distressing. So, very cute. I like these at first glance. And they're the Lee Modern series. They're modern. Okay, next. Wow, I really don't remember what I had sent to myself, even though it was probably like a week ago that I had picked out these items. I just... You know, I'm getting old, I forget stuff. All right, so this is a nice feeling shirt. Okay, this is the 5th label, and it has a navy and red on kind of an ivory shirt, and it has a navy cuff to it. I think I just thought this was unique and looked like a cute casual type shirt that I thought it'd be fun to try. That, and they sent me so many jeans to pick out of that I was like, I gotta send myself some shirts. So I like it, not love it, but it might be a good casual one. This is an Amazon essential jegging, and just a maroonish pant, and it has pockets in the back, but only faux pockets in the front. And I wanted to try Amazon Essentials because I've liked some of their tops and stuff, so I thought, why not try some bottoms? So they're, you know, a very stretchy jegging, as jeggings are. So very interesting there. And then this is my last and final piece. Wow, I literally sent myself just one shirt. Okay, so this is a dress pant, a gray dress pant. This is by Larkin and Rowe, and it's got a zipper side here, a flat front, no, oh yeah, it's got pockets in the front, and kind of a straight leg, maybe even bootleg. So we'll see. I like more of a skinny trouser, so we shall see. Also, we'll see. I mean, these might be super high-waisted, but this crotch just looks super low, so we'll find out once we get it on now, won't we? Okay, that is it, my friends. That is the whole box. I will put prices on as a caption as I try these on, because you guys don't want me to go through every single item again at the end. That's going to be super boring. So let's go ahead and get this stuff on. Alright guys, first up we have this jacket, and start with it zipped out because I really like the looks of these mono jackets that are zipped up. And here it is all the way around. Great fit. I mean, it's got a decent snugness to it, so it doesn't feel like it's too huge. Arms are maybe slightly too long, but not bad at all. I really like this. I don't have a moto jacket this color, so I'm interested in this. Alright, so let's see. This is what it looks like open. I feel like it looks a little big when it's open, but I like it zipped up. Would love to hear you guys' opinion on this. Okay, and then we have the jeans. These are the level 99 jeans. They are straight leg. I did put like a little roll on it because they are a little bit long. I do like the straight leg aspect to it because it's a little bit different. I like the distressing and medium wash to it. There it is all the way around. Again, would love your guys' opinion on it, but I like these. I like these a lot. But here's the downside. First of all, I love how high-waisted it is, but it is 5 buttons. That's a lot of buttons for when you need to use a restroom. That's a lot of buttons. So that's kind of a downside, as that might be kind of annoying, but I don't know, I really like these. So, oh, we'll see. Let's keep going. Okay, next up we have these khakis. They are a boot cut here at the end. They, again, and they fit great. They're kind of a medium rise. They fit great. They're actually super comfortable. I just don't really like khakis like this anymore. And I'm not quite sure, again, why I chose these as one of my 8 items, because I think there's others I was interested in. So, not bad. I think it was because they were advertised as curvy, and I really like trying out curvy fits, and they do. They fit great. No gapping here, no tightness around the butt, so they do fit really great. I just don't want any bootleg khakis in my closet right now. All right, next piece. So here's the thing with these pants. Now, I thought I saw something about them having a hidden drawstring, like that was in the name of these, something like that. Boy, can I not find anything like that. So they might be that they were supposed to be drawstringed, and even if they were, so they're great length, but even if they were, just not a fan of these. So the drawstring shall remain hidden for now. Let's go ahead and move on. Okay, so these slacks, trousers, I like that they're more of a straight length, so I would be happy with these. They have a long crotch, we'll say, and maybe they're just too big on me. I think that's what it is. I think they're supposed to be smaller and higher up, so that takes care of the droopy crotch, and they're just like a little bit loose overall. So I think these would be great. They're just like a size too big for me. Otherwise, I would generally consider keeping them. I like that they're, you know, kind of a straight leg type trouser. I like the gray charcoal color. So, but too big. All right, next piece. Okay, so I have this striped top on with the burgundy jeggings. They really are just too leggingsy for my taste, so I'm just kind of not really feeling them. I'm not a huge jegging person. It depends on what they are, but in general, I like more of a structure, more of a jean than a legging, though they're super comfortable, so there's that. The shirt I like. I guess, I don't know, it feels very like 70s, 80s to me, and I just don't know that I love it all that much. Now, I will say, in my style survey with Amazon, I gave all just the lowest price points on everything, and so I think that was an effort. So I am appreciative, because you guys will see, as you guys have seen, some of these prices are really, really great for what they're sending me, like the level 99 jeans and the BB Dakota jacket, all really, really great priced. So this shirt's a little bit of a dud for me, but considering my price points, I get it. So I think I just have one pair of jeans left. Okay, here are the Lee jeans, and I like these. They just have a little bit of distressing up here and down at the knee, actually slightly below the knee. They came pre-rolled up, which I actually like that. They are kind of a looser, almost, I'd probably call these more of like a girlfriend-boyfriend type fit. But I like these. I like these a lot. These are more of a medium rise, which is okay. There it is, 360. There you go. Let's do our recap and decide what to keep out of all this. Okay guys, so I've already sent back the majority of what was in my box. I showed you guys the price as I try them on, gave you my feelings. So I'm gonna make this recap really short and simple and just let you guys know what I decided to keep. So I decided to keep the BB Dakota jacket. You can't, 35 bucks, you can't beat that price. I thought it was cute, it fit really well. I don't have a moto jacket in this color, and I'm very happy to add that to my wardrobe. And then the other thing I kept, I really debated between the Levi jeans and the level 99, and or just not at all, because I really don't need jeans, but I can't seem to stop buying them. So, and the level 99s is what won out for me. So I like how high-waisted it is. It really goes way up there. And I was worried that maybe it was pancaking my bum too much, but my husband assured me it was not. And I like the distressing on these. I think that it has really cute distressing on it. And I like that it's a straight leg. So I kept these. Oh, and it's a great price for a level 99 pair of jeans. So really happy to have those. Really happy to have you guys watching my video. I very, very much appreciate it. So if you guys like this video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up so that others will get a chance to see it. And subscribe if you are not already subscribed. And I love you all. And hopefully we'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.